my eyelashes itch so much. Like, I don't know if you could tell my eyes are a little red. It's because I've been like touching it. I don't know what it is.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
For me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So currently I am in Paris, France. I wanted to do a few little videos. I tried to do like a vlog type thing, but the weather yesterday was so bad. It started raining and pouring. I got soaked and then I got over it. I went to the Louvre and it was very cool. It was very interesting. I took a few videos of it. So today I am planning on going to the Army Museum. And I am also planning on doing some shopping, so I will take you guys with me, and yeah, so we will see how this goes. I'm also gonna do an Airbnb tour of the place because it's actually very nice, so you guys can see that too. So basically you walk in, those are my shoes, and there's this little cute stand with her pictures and stuff. This is an Airbnb and somebody actually lives here, but she is letting me use her space. So the toilet is here. It's just the toilet. That's how it is in France. And then the other bathroom is here. This is the shower. And that is me. I just woke up, so ignore me. And then we have the kitchen, which is such a cute kitchen. Look at this. Like, very cute. I feel like I'm in Emily in Paris. Except it's gonna be Emma in Paris. And then the refrigerator, trash can. She has these cute little things. And then we go to the living space. TV. This is like such a cute living space. It is very French in my opinion. And then we go out here. And it's really cute because she has these little lights that you can turn on. Oh, you can't see them, but there's lights that turn on and it looks really cute at night. And then we go in the bedroom. Looks like this. She decorated it very nicely, I will say, for the space. My clothes, another window. And then there's me. And yeah, so it's a very cute space. It's like perfect for somebody like me, for example. Yeah, like I wish I could like live here. That would be amazing because it's such a cute little area. Yeah, and the one thing I don't like about this place is the fact that there is no AC. Right now it's kind of chilly, but the first 2 days it was so hot. I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna handle this. But so far it hasn't been that bad. So that's like pretty good. And yeah. So what I'm planning on doing right now is I'm gonna pick my outfit. And then I'm gonna go get coffee at this place called Pret de Manger, something like that. I had it yesterday and I really liked it. Their iced coffee was amazing. So I definitely wanna go there rather than Starbucks. I don't feel like sitting down somewhere, so I'm probably just gonna go there. And then I'm gonna head to the Army Museum because that's at 2. And then after, planning on doing some shopping. I don't know where I'm gonna go. This always happens every time I leave the Airbnb. I always like get lost, and then I end up walking so much more than I was planning on walking. I usually do take the metro, but it was just such a pain in the ass like yesterday. Like I walked so much for no reason. So hopefully I'm gonna try to minimize my walking today because my legs are killing me. Oh my god. So yeah, so I'm gonna pick my outfit. I think I'm planning on wearing this top. It is chilly out and I didn't really bring a jacket, so I'm planning on wearing this like top. The back is like open with like some jeans, and then like I have a sweater in there that I'm just gonna bring because it is so chilly out. And yeah, so I will get dressed and we will get our day started. So this is my outfit of the day. We have this cute shirt that was featured in one of my YouTube videos, and these jeans. I think these are Topshop jeans. They fit me really well. And yeah. Okay, so I think I'm actually ready to go and get this day started. So yeah, gonna hop on the metro and go on a little adventure. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I did make an outro when I was in Paris, but it's kind of all over the place. I just decided to make another one. I didn't really record a lot of videos in Paris because it was raining and it was quite difficult to record and also vlog. So I kind of made it into this video. I hope you guys still enjoyed it and you guys could see the Airbnb and stuff. But the next video that I plan on making will be me talking about the COVID-19 restrictions for some of the countries that I visited over the summer. And yeah, so I hope you still enjoyed this vlog montage Paris video. And if you guys want me to make more of those kind of videos, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. And please give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And please subscribe, it motivates me to make more videos. And yeah, so I will see you guys next time.